when that shit turn into sporadic shit? What happened when everything turns to habit quick? I don't know what you think you gonna do to me, y'all. I prepare for everything, man, I swear I'm coming, y'all. If it comes to busting, then you busting at me, what am I gonna do? I ain't gonna be a bitch, I know what to do. Standing on my 2 feet, that's what I'm gonna do. Busting shots I won't, but man, I swear I'm telling you. Took a couple hits, but I come back, baby, banging screw. Took a couple hits, but I come back and I'm banging screw. Niggas out here acting like they funny, but they dummy too. Thinking that they got me, but man, I'm the one that got you, fool. Everybody chop me out, everybody cross me out. Everybody out here steady in the street, shouting now. Man, they said I was dumb, man, they thought I was stupid, y'all. Everybody think I was foolish, moving slower, y'all. But that might be the case, man, I begin through the race. Hold it back in the way, know what I got to say. Hold it back, I don't play. Pull it back, I pull it straight. Everybody talking, I be talking up in the street. Drop your body, that's where they come when I cracking heat. Trapping at these niggas when they come, I be the drag queen. Everybody playing, I'm just playing, I'm the drag king. Fucking with these niggas out here ballin' up in the street. Acting like they wanna, but they don't want no fucking beef. Cause I be the one that be pulling up to they street. Fuck they team, fuck they clique, fuck they family and fuck they bitch. Hit them with that 1, 2, 3, get them in they family in. I ain't playing with you niggas, I'm the type to jump up in. Running through this track, dang, this the race I'm gonna win. Skin toe brown, I'm a Mexican, know what I do, y'all. Everybody triple, but boy, I ain't tripping, y'all. I just been chillin', man, I ain't be killin', y'all. I'm just trying to do what I can, I ain't living raw. But I promise you my niggas, I've been out here bustin' quick. Swear to God, if a nigga come to it, no discussion shit. I ain't playing off, I ain't talking about nothing, bitch. If you talking about my life, then you know what it come to quick. If you think you got that hesitation, then you kill, dog. I ain't about no bullshit, swear to God, I'll be the realest, dog. Fucking with them niggas every day, I be killing y'all. Laughing at you clown ass niggas, cause y'all be funny, y'all. Thinking that you got that shit, thinking that you got it, y'all. Thinking about your having shit, man, I swear I doubt it, y'all. I've been doing shit, put my place on the map, y'all. For once ever been where I'm at, where I'm relaxing, y'all. In the woods, I'm making moves, everybody know it's true. Stacking dollars what hustlers do, man, I swear I told you. Took a couple shots, but I paid all my dues. Took a couple shots, but I paid all my dues. Man, I swear to God, if you wanna lose, that's what you do. If you wanna be something, then you got something to prove. So I picked up this music and I started fucking with it. So when that bass drop, then I bop with it. My heart be pumping quick, so I know I'm built for this. Feeling all this music and it got me rolling quick. Man, I swear to God, ooh.